When talking about blockchains, do you find yourself calling it fast or slow? You might be mixing up two different concepts, latency and throughput. Hey everyone, my name is Lei Yang, and I'm a co-founder of MegaETH. Let's say a few bunnies want to get something to eat from a MegaCarrot. Every 10 seconds, one bunny leaves the gate, walks across the parking lot, picks up the carrot, and then walks back. The latency is the time it takes for the bunny to walk from the gate to MegaCarrot and then back. Let's say it's 5 seconds. On the other hand, throughput is the number of bunnies that can gather carrots in a set amount of time. Because bunnies go every 10 seconds, the throughput is 60 divided by 10, which is 6 bunnies per minute. This throughput looks rather low. What if the bunnies depart every 1 second? Then the throughput becomes 60 bunnies per minute. Meanwhile, because any individual bunny does not walk any faster, the latency stays the same. On the other hand, what if we keep the departure interval at 10 seconds but give bunnies skateboards? Now we can decrease the latency because each bunny gets their carrot sooner, but the throughput stays the same at 6 per minute. Of course, we can combine the two approaches so we can get both high throughput and low latency. Notice that latency and throughput are completely different metrics. Latency is all about how fast an individual bunnies can travel, whereas throughput is about how fast the group of bunnies move. In blockchains, latency is how soon you get confirmation for your transactions, whereas throughput is about how many transactions the blockchain can handle per second. These two numbers are not inherently related. Next time you hear that a blockchain is fast, ask yourself, does it provide high throughput or low latency, or both?